Hello and welcome back to Disabling and Prepping. I got a sample or a product to try actually, and it's from Sharper Image. It's a little DX-1 drone, micro drone. It is only 2 inches big or tall, whatever. It sits in its own controller. The batteries do not come with it. This is the little drone in here. Here, like this little guy here. Comes with a little guard for around the little propellers, and it charges inside its controller. I don't know if we used it once. It was supposed to screw in here so it stays closed. And I don't know if that was for shipping or if it was for all the time, because it doesn't snap closed now. But that thing broke off right away. So I'm hoping it was just for shipping. Anyways, this is the little controller that it comes with. It comes also with a little guard and the power cord. And let's see, an extra set of blades, or not blades, but you know, the propeller thingies. It's supposed to supposed to have auto orientation and auto landing, and which is supposed to make it more so you have better control. Also, it has 100 feet. Here, let me zoom in so there it goes. Supposed to be stable, and it can go up to 100 feet in range for control. Yeah, it has built-in LED lights on the little drone guy. So it has these lights here. But it's supposed to be in for indoor use, not for outdoor. I was all excited when they sent me a message and said that I was going to get a drone to give it a try and see how I liked it. But it was a big flop. You can't control the thing. It gets anywhere near anything and it tries to land, it crashes. There's absolutely no control on this little guy. And I've not flown a drone, so I can't really say I have a lot of experience with them. But I did have a friend that, the maintenance guy, he's flown drones before. And this has no control whatsoever with it. It doesn't even go in there right. There's just no control. You can't. It doesn't have any flight control. It bounces off of things all over the place. It lands every time it gets a chance to. Yeah, that's one of the complaints that I've seen online about it too. And I'd have to confirm that it is made for kids ages 12 and up, but I really think that a 12-year-old would be like, this is a piece of junk. It doesn't fly. It just, you have no control over any movements. It says that they have the auto orientation for easier flight control, and it says it right on the box right there, and you have no flight control whatsoever. It just will zoom off and crash into the nearest thing it can, or it tries to land on everything. There's just, I think a 12-year-old would be like, Mom, this is a piece of junk, or Dad, this is a piece of junk. I was so disappointed in it, but it does really live up to the comments online about it, about how it has no control, that it's out of control basically. And this is made for indoors, so like if you don't have any control in it, it just was bouncing off of things in the office. So like if you have any knickknacks or heirlooms, you can easily probably break something with this thing, just because it doesn't give you any control over the flight at all. But, you know, it was a fun little thing. I wish it would have actually had the actual control, flight control, like it says it does, because it would have been fun to play with. It also doesn't come with one of these chargers, so you have to make sure you have one of these. I mean, nowadays every phone comes with one, but what say you don't have an extra one of these, you know? Then this thing doesn't charge up unless you charge it on your computer or something. But yeah, it just doesn't have any control. It's completely out of control. Even with the slightest little movement, it's like zoom and bounces off of something. So I do not recommend this thing. Um, yeah, even for a kid, they will not have fun with this thing. And I guess the propellers break real easy after a few times of bouncing off of something. So you have to replace those all the time. We had one after like only a couple of flights with the guard on. It had bent one of the pieces, and I had to put a different one on. So yeah, it's not worth the money. I don't know how much they cost, but I'm guaranteeing. Even when I got this for free, I was like, it's not worth it. So there you go. Caber's right there. She's not feeling good today. Don't know what's up, but she just wants to sleep. And when you get her up, she's kind of like, eh. So, all right. Have a great day. Stay safe, everybody. God bless you to overflowing, and may He always keep you safe. Bye for now.